something very nice for today, guys. RS6. Like always, we are getting ready to fit our wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto kit. But before that, our customer had a problem with the screen. This is a common fault. The cables, as you can see, I just took the sleeve out, the tape, and they broken inside. So sometimes screens lights up, sometimes it's a black screen, sometimes doesn't come up at all. We now gonna replace the wires, and then we get started with the CarPlay installation. As you can see, we still have a black screen, but I trace it on this side. Second fuse, big bottom shelf, you can see it's blown. I don't have the same one now, but I will go to shop, but let's see just if it works. And that's how you fix the problem with the screen. Now let's start to install the CarPlay. I will try to tidy up a bit here. Now, to install the CarPlay, take this out. We'll have to hide the box in the glove box here, so let's take it off. Here is where our box will sit, on this side of the glove box. For which you just unplug, and it goes on this side. This end goes into the gray one where you took it from. So we finished the installation. Menu button switches between original menu and CarPlay. To use the original Bluetooth for sound and calls, go to settings, system, factory mode, phone link settings, and make sure you have the phone link audio ticked. Press apply, and then on this page reboot. And now the CarPlay will use the original Bluetooth audio for sound and calls and not the AUX. As you can see, now we are paired. Good quality, the screen, this is the original screen. I don't like to replace them because the Android screens, they are not so reliable. This one connects fast, works fast, good sound quality, and yeah, it just works, no headaches. If you own an Audi and you'd like to update your infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, just drop us a message and we can definitely help you. Thank you for watching and see you next time. I will leave you now with some shots of this car.